Welcome to Skyview News. Today is Friday, April 7th.
My name's Salem.
And my name is Katia.
Spring break is over, sadly.
Now we're back to school. I didn't really do much over spring break.
I didn't either, but we're going to take a look at what other kids did over break.
Hello, my name is Claire and I'm here with Skyview News. Today we're interviewing staff and students about their spring break. Hello, I am here with Trenton N.
Hi.
What did you do over spring break?
Nothing.
If you went out of state, where did you go?
I did not go out of state. I stayed here.
You're a loser.
I know.
Did you go to any amusement parks or any fun things?
No.
Did you go see a play or movie?
No, I did not.
Yeah, I have. Did you enjoy spring break?
Yes, because I did nothing but sleep.
Hello, I am here with Kaiya S.
Hi,
What did you do over spring break?
I went skiing with family.
If you went out of state, where did you go?
South Dakota.
Did you go to any amusement park or do any fun things?
I went skiing.
That's not an amusement park.
That's a fun thing.
You already said that. Did you go and see a new movie play? And if you did, what movie?
I did not.
Did you enjoy spring break?
Yes. Yeah.
Thank you. Hi, I'm here with Pohet H. What did you do over spring break? If you went out of state, where did you go?
Where did I go?
No, if you went out of state, where did you go?
I didn't go out of state.
Okay. Are you going to, did you go to an amusement park?
Yep.
Are you going, did you go to see a new movie or play?
I did.
What movie?
Is dinosaur movie? I forgot the name.
Did you enjoy spring break?
Yeah.
Thank you. Hello, I am here with Andrew. What did you do over spring break?
I slept.
If you went out of state, where did you go?
I didn't go out of state.
Did you go to an amusement park?
No.
Did you go to see a movie?
No.
Did you enjoy spring break?
Yeah.
Thank you. Hello, I am here with Miss Thompson. What did you do over spring break?
I hung out with my dog. We went for lots of walks.
If you went out of state, where did you go?
I didn't go out of state.
Did you go to an amusement park?
I did not, unfortunately.
Did you go to see a new movie?
I did not, unfortunately.
Did you enjoy spring break?
I did. I think everyone does.
Hello, I am here with Ms. Woodard. What did you do over spring break?
I took care of my kids.
If you went out of state, where did you go?
I did not go anywhere out of state. I just stayed.
Did you go to an amusement park?
I didn't go to an amusement park, but we went to the zoo, so that was fun.
Did you go to see a new movie?
Nope, I didn't see any new movies.
Did you enjoy spring break?
I did. Yep, it was nice.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Once again, I'm Claire with Skyview News. Back to you, Katia and Salem.
Wow, that's cool. I guess my break was boring.
You know, I actually started cooking during break. I made lemon pasta for my mom.
Lemon pasta? Sounds interesting.
That reminds me, next up we have a cooking show.
Does it involve Gordon Ramsay?
I don't think this is Hell's Kitchen, but we should go check it out.
Skyview, my name is Gianni. Today I'll be making chocolate chip pancakes.
Add 2 cups of flour, 1/2 cup of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, then mix dry ingredients. Pour 2.5 cups of milk. Then 3 tablespoons of oil. Then mix wet ingredients with dry ingredients. 1.5 tablespoons of vanilla extract. A sprinkle of cinnamon. Then add 1 cup of chocolate chips and mix together. Put olive oil in pan. Then put your batter in the plate and wait 35 seconds before you flip. Then flip and wait another 35 seconds.
Welcome Skyview News. This is Madeline Wiggs and she'll be trying out the chocolate chip pancakes. What do you think?
I think they're really good actually. They're like, they could be a little bit more fluffy. That's all.
Once again, I'm Gianni with Skyview News. Hope you enjoyed making chocolate chip pancakes. Back to you, Katia and Salem.
I'm hungry now, and it's your fault.
I didn't even do anything?
I kind of want a Big Mac right now.
I've never actually had one, but I've seen the Big Mac commercials.
Really? I just can't afford one, so I wouldn't know.
I'll go get you a Big Mac. In the meantime, let's have a commercial break.
Have you ever had one of those boring wooden pencils? Well, do I have something for you. Introducing the mechanical pencil.
The mechanical pencil is better in many ways than those dual wooden pencils. Mechanical pencils can achieve the type precision and detail a regular pencil cannot. The pencils are lighter and don't feel like you have something heavy in your hands. Also, they don't break as easily as those weak wooden ones.
What I like about mechanical pencils is you can replace their lead, they're not boring, and they come in different styles.
So I like mechanical pencils because they're really easy to use, and you can erase stuff with them, and they have an eraser that's really soft.
Mechanical pencils are way better than those wooden pencils. I think soon everyone will start using mechanical pencils. They can improve your writing a bit. Since everyone will get this new trendy thing, what are you waiting? For more information, please call 719-555-5555 or email ishere@buymechanicalpencils.com.
Thanks for the Big Mac.
Yeah, no problem. I mean, it's okay, but it's not on my top 10 list.
I would rate a McDonald's Big Mac #1.
Everyone has a top 10 list. Our next segment is the top 10 list of NFL teams.
Football? Boring.
I'm not a sports person, but it could be interesting regardless.
Hey there, my name is Colin Beck, and I'm here with Skyview News. We went into the hallways and surveyed students about their top 10 NFL teams. There are definitely a lot, but only one can be the best.
Hi, my name is Abner Franchi with Skyview News. There are 32 teams in the NFL, but today I'm going to be going over people's favorite teams at Skyview. There are many teams with a lot of moving parts, but some teams are just more likable than others. Will we see a favorable lead to the Broncos because we are in Colorado, or will we see a more diverse option? Coming in at our number 10 spot, barely making the list, the Chicago Bears. They and Justin Fields are young, but that doesn't make them good. They could be good in the future with their high lottery pick. Coming in at our number 9 spot, the cheese lovers themselves, the Green Bay Packers. Wonder if Aaron Rodgers is going to stay with them. He's all over the place. Coming in at our number 8 spot, the Cleveland Browns. If they want to have a shot at winning, they should pick up Cleveland Brown from Family Guy to go along with their team. Number 7 spot, the Dallas Cowboys. Not going to see them winning anything anytime soon, but this number 7 spot. Coming in at our number 6 spot, Mr. Jay Jettis himself in the Minnesota Vikings. Will Justin Jefferson carry them to a victory another season in a row? Coming in at our number 5 spot, this team is going to be great in the near future. My Detroit Lions, they're going to be real contenders. At our number 4 spot, just shy of the top 3, the Philadelphia Eagles. They got so far this season but got mugged in the Super Bowl. Now we're into our top 3 teams. Coming in at number 3, Mr. Irrelevant himself, Brock Purdy and the San Francisco 49ers. Coming in at our number 2 spot, and a big surprise here, the Kansas City Chiefs. Most of the people that choose this team must be bandwagons. Coming in at number 1, and no surprise here considering we're in Colorado, the number 1 most favorite team at Skyview, your one and only Denver Broncos.
Once again, these are the top 10 NFL teams here at Skyview. Again, I'm Colin with Skyview News. Thanks for watching. Back to you, Salem and Katia.
Interesting. I learned a lot.
I've never really understood sports. Have you?
They're cool, I guess. I just want to watch something fun.
Fun? Actually, we have a game show up next.
Wait, really? Bet. Sign me up.
Let's go see what this game show has to offer.
Welcome to 3-Point Contest. I'm your host, Cami, and today we have 4 contestants competing for a special prize.
The goal for the game is to shoot the ball. You try to get the ball in the net. There is only one winner. The winner of the challenge will be announced the best basketball player. The best basketball player is Zarin. He won with 3 shots made, which is 1 off from being second place. Second place being Brandon.
Thank you for watching the 3-Point Contest. Once again, I'm your host, Cami, and I hope to see you on the next episode. Back to you, Katia and Salem.
Now that game show was fun.
I wonder if there will be more episodes of that show. It was really entertaining.
I agree. I wish I could see more of these.
Well, more broadcasts will be made in the future, won't they?
Yeah, once again, I'm Katia.
And I'm Salem.
Thanks for watching Skyview News.